Hello, I'm Dee Woolridge, award-winning author, international speaker, and success coach. I'm also a certified clinical hypnotherapist, and a common question I get is, are people born with confidence? And the answer is no. One of the foremost myths about self-confidence is that people are born with it, and it's a quality that cannot be acquired. Nothing is further from the truth. Self-confidence is a skill, and like other skills, it can be built, learned. What you need is the right guidance and a belief in yourself and the ability to take the first step. If you'd like more information, you can find it on my website. I'm Dee Woolridge, author, speaker, coach, and certified clinical hypnotherapist.